The nation's gun debate has been carried to the courts as judges make critical decisions on state firearm laws. As Fox 43's Marshall Keeley explains, the wave of litigation was triggered by one Supreme Court decision that gave a silver bullet to people on the bench.
As federal judges weigh the future of firearms, one case has been their guide. The Supreme Court's 2022 decision in New York State Rifle and Pistol Association Incorporated versus Bruen ruled some state gun regulations are unconstitutional.
Bruen expands on the Heller decision that was decided by the Supreme Court years ago and really creates a regime that is much more permissive towards firearms.
It also created new precedent, establishing that federal judges should apply historical context when adjudicating cases around firearms. The High Court's conservative justices implied gun rights have standing dating back to the nation's founding. Former federal judge John Jones says the decision left a lot up to interpretation.
I can tell you, having labored in the district courts for 20 years almost, that's really vague and difficult for a judge to apply. And again, it's going to lead, I think, to potentially inconsistent decisions by district courts and courts of appeal.
While the Bruen ruling has been cited by courts striking down several state gun regulations this year, a Supreme Court decision in June upheld a federal law preventing individuals convicted for domestic violence-related offenses from owning a firearm.
What Chief Justice Roberts has said is that, there can be a common sense gun regulations, but, one person's common sense gun regulation is another person's constitutional challenge.
Jones says the Bruen standard will loom large as judges decide who can own a firearm, which firearms are allowed, and where they are permitted.
I don't think they'll revisit Bruen, but I think that the Supreme Court has bought itself some future decisions that they're going to have to make on other areas that attend the Second Amendment and the right to carry firearms.
Marshall Keeley, Fox 43 News.